Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat ug maayong adlaw, Cebu! Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to share to you, it's all about my Angela, my daughter, the Porenay in Croatia herself. So for today's video guys, is after school, we go direct to shop because gusto niya laging yung Romobil or scooter. So, hinahangad-hangad niya guys na pabili siya. So, she deserve naman. So, we'll give her as much as we can dahil she deserves. She's a good girl. Wako, sasna. Yay! Let's go, Tata, Romobil. Let's go, Romobil. Tato. Nak, dito chat nak. Sat Moreno. Gabardan. Ode. To. Wow, Minnie Mouse. That's Angela wanted, huh?
Wow.
Motoro, Previshitoscope. You like that?
Yes.
Wow. While she's busy and choosing which one, I let Tata to go other shop because I want to be wise because this is so expensive for me. It's almost 50 euro. Ding, 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 ding. Every time we go shop like toys, and I know it's expensive because toys for kids or toddler is very expensive one, especially in this shop, baby shop, so particular for kids. And I want to make canvas, so I let Tata to go other shop, and then now now Tata found that it's half of the price. So this one is 50 because it's Disney. I know it's character and it's expensive one. So we choose the made in China, the half of the price. So in this shop is all Disney characters, so we don't have choice, and it's more than 50 up because look, it's so nice and beautiful, but I want to be like smart in terms of toys because in so many days, in how many days this will be damaged. I know my daughter.
I want to choose this
Why you choose that?
because it's big,
And the other one is?
small.
But it's nice that we... Oh, that one is nice because it has the face of Mickey Mouse.
Okay.
And this one is the... they have also. At first, I like also the Disney because I am a Mickey lover. I'm a Mickey hoarder since birth, charot. And, but Angela understand which one we choose for her. And that one, we go back to the supermarket to buy croissant again. It's a bread for life. And she understand, I said that it's expensive. And now we choose this. And we arrive home. So, nidaog me guys, should be the parents manage or control your daughter or your son. So, this one is half of the price. So, it's okay. And anyways, how many days madamage, dali ra madamage kasi Angela is burara siya mo gamit og toy. So this one is okay without character. It's blue. She prefer blue because it's Blippi though, and she likes to watch Blippi cartoons. No, it's not a cartoon, it's educational show. So most of the time is Angela wants, Angela gets. But this time, I want to be smart in terms of, syempre, money. It's expensive. We choose the cheapest one. Anyway, it's the same function. So this one is, she's very atat and she's very excited to use, and as well as she helped Tata. And that's it.
The next
Hey, what you gonna say to Kuya? Come on.
I want to buy you scooter like this. I want to buy you Spider-Man.
Wow. Okay, let's say, Kuya, I'm gonna buy you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals